used to people. I can catch him so easy, but... Well, this is where I'm going to have a swim. No one told me there was crocodiles everywhere. I'm pretty sure you come to the gorge here and have a swim. I think they're freshies, I think it's all good.
Simon!
Nope, here's the boss.
Hey!
Hey mate, how you going?
There ya!
You're like a sniffer dog, like a tracker dog.
Found ya! You've been swimming, have you?
Yeah.
You didn't see the sign that says crocodiles?
I didn't see the sign, but I can see the crocodiles. How cool is this joint?
Very cool. I reckon I'm going for a dip as well.
I skived off, mate.
Did ya? Is it worth a dip?
It's definitely worth a dip.
What's that big swirl in the...
Yeah, it's full of crocodiles in there, mate.
Oh, that's a crocodile there?
Yeah, I wouldn't swim out too far. They're only freshies, apparently. Woo! Holy
That place is awesome. But I nearly got stuck in there.
How ballsy would it be to swim across the other side and back?
Surely.
Oh mate, get your gear on. Let's get out of here. Can't hang around here forever.
Come on, you've had your swim with the crocodiles.
I like that, mate.
I know. We got to move on to the next job.
I'll see you back in Derby.
Next time, the team has some hardcore rock crawling ahead.
All going on.
The Pilbara's landscape is harsh and unforgiving.
Stop.
Join them for the adventure